property here, it's just heavily wooded. I mean, we have a little bit of section where the house is. Outside of that, I've got deep valleys, all kinds of brush. And I'm looking at this Trailblazer thing with tracks on it, and I'm like, wow, you gotta be kidding me. It looks to me like that thing's going down in the valley. It's gonna go over any of the obstacles that I'm gonna have on the property. Especially at my age now, I'm not hauling that, you know, that Viking sled with 180, 200 pounds worth of wood on it like I did 10, 15 years ago. Well, basically this machine just took me to a spot in the property I will not normally go in the winter. Took it right up the hill. The tracks pulled me up the hill in probably 6 inches of wet snow. I'm not normally going to go back there unless I'm just going for a walk or a hike back there. I'm definitely not hauling anything up onto the sand hill, we call it. It went right through the woods. It handled the angles of the slope. And like I said, it basically pulled me up.